Hello everyone, Simon here at Big Shot Trade, and today is a Christmas day, so happy holiday to those who celebrate. And we're almost approaching a new year, so it's going to be interesting few days between Christmas and New Year. As usual, we had a tremendous move on the market. I'm not going to go into it. You probably know about this steep fall of the market. It took us to a red zone for the year. And I'm using this day as an opportunity for research and technical analysis. And I'm watching oil. In my previous recordings, I shared with you a few ideas on oil. I thought we would bounce around 50 area. We were holding that, but we went lower. And as you can see on the chart here, we are actually falling really hard. After this flag over here, we continue moving lower. And currently, we are actually at the level of June 2017, retesting it. Now, my idea here is around $142. So as you can see here, November 2016, this was a level that we bounced off, and then again June 2017, that's a year and a half ago, and we're approaching to that level. And so oil, for those of you who are not trading futures, basically, and for myself, the idea popped into my head to look at major oil stocks, major oil players on the stock market, to be able to capitalize on what's going on here. So again, nobody can know, but logically speaking, we could find some kind of a resistance, some kind of a support in this level around 42.20. This is the level here, and the low here was 42.05, and the low on yesterday was 42.36, and we closed about 30 cents high, 32 cents high. So that's the oil. Now let's go to what I share with you. Let's look into the big players, the giants of oil industry, and we start with Anadarko Petroleum. I purposely took a weekly chart, because if you go on daily on some of them, we actually we can see the levels to the left. So we'll operate with the weekly charts, would make sense over here. Now take a look, similar idea. Support here we had in August of 2017, and the low here was 39.96. So let's say $40, and this is the confirmation earlier. That's 40.02. So $40 is a serious level. Now take a look. Low on yesterday, before we closed earlier at 1 o'clock, was $40.56. It's just 56 cents above the major level over here. So we'll be watching this level very, very closely, and there is a possibility of a buying activity going on here, and we should go in and watch it on the smaller time frame, on daily, 4-hour, hourly charts, and see if we actually are going to build some kind of a support, a strong support here. We'll probably test the level like we did over here with some spikes, and I really hope so, because again, I like to short things, but come on, take a look. The move is tremendous. We just tanking here. Okay, so again, level 40 to 40.20. This is the level that we held previously, and that's the level that we could find some buyers coming in. And again, watch the oil prices closely. Next one is the BP, the British Petroleum. Another one. This one is actually a little bit stronger. Let's take a look. The low over here was this year in February. So we're approaching that level, and the level is 36.15. The low yesterday was 36.58. It's about 43 cents higher. We'll be watching the 36.15, 36.20 area. for possible buying activity and possible turnaround to the upside. So that's the BP. The next player is ConocoPhillips. Also not as weak as the APC. Take a look, we're approaching the level of April of 2018. It's even stronger than BP. Interesting. So the level here was 56.57 and low over here was 57.01. It's about 50 cents to the level. Let's see if we hold here. Now, should we break through? And also we're sitting here on the 2-day moving average. Again, take into consideration this is a weekly chart. So the 56.69, 56.70 we'll be watching this level for possible buying activity going on and potentially start turning around and going a little bit into correction on the upside. Again, should we break this level and start closing lower? Again, watch the oil for that, and that means that we can go and explore or retest the further down levels, and the major one is here 50.41. That's the level that we held in February 2018, and from which we made new highs afterwards. So that's the COP. The next one is Chevron. Chevron is also approaching a major level. Now this level is a very strong level, something that I'm not afraid to ask a bulletproof level. That's something that created kind of a mirror level. Let's take a look. We bounced through it. This again, take in consideration this is a weekly chart. So we bang our heads again. They couldn't break it. Went higher, and then take a look how many attempts we had to break it. We build the positions here, and we continue going higher, and we never came back to it. So it's a very, very strong level around 98 plus minus take 20 cents, and we broke this level here from which we made new highs. That's 102, 103 level, and we on the way to retest the 98 again. Very important. Psychological levels like 100 are very hard to break, so we might not even see this level and turn around 100, granted that oil will start bouncing. And take a look, that's what happened over here. The low here was 99.87, and we made a new high from this level over here. So that's also a potential. So watch the 100. Should we go and break that level and continue lower, 98 is a very strong, I call it a bulletproof level that we shouldn't be breaking here. And the last one is ExxonMobil. And I believe this one, let's take a look, is the weakest one of all of them. Wow. Let's take a look. I need a larger time frame to actually show it to you. So I'm going to switch to a monthly chart and take a look. We broke the level of August 2015. Huge selling going on in ExxonMobil. And the next strong level over here, it's the monthly level of about 64.04. I marked it to myself. This is the level that we touched over here, and this is the level that we played with at these trades over here. Now this is monthly. Let's take a look. So we broke this level here. That was a support that we bounced from again back in August 2015. So should we continue lower, we could see the 64 level broken or retested. Okay, so I really hope that some traders will come to save the market in general, and something will be going on in oil. So we would see again. Let's go back to oil and see it as a indicator of all of those that we spoke about. So we want to see the 42 level actually holding, and if we don't, I don't even know what to expect. Should we go and test 40 psychological level here? Should we go and retest the lows? I don't know, but take a look at the move, and this is going to be a third straight month down. And take a look where we came from. We came from 77 and we're currently at around 42. Huge move. So let's watch the oil. Pay attention to the stocks. If you choose, I mean, if the oil finally stops bleeding down and start building some momentum to the upside, I would look into buying these guys. And again, should we go lower, ExxonMobil is the weakest one. Should we go higher, I would probably buy it the last, but who knows? But the others are a little bit stronger. So watch the oil, watch for rebound, and look into buying these stocks and take the profits on the upside. I'm happy I had the opportunity to share this with you. Happy holidays, and we'll have more recordings before the New Year's. All the best.